Hey everyone, Eric at Flyin Miata here. We're back with another Facebook Live video. Today we're going to be looking at our Little Big Brake kits. And what I've got here today are the pieces parts for the ND chassis, the 2016 Plus. But really, the calipers are power lights, and they're going to be the same for all 4 generations. So you're going to get a pretty good idea of what you're going to get. So to start with, let's go ahead and do a little bit of unboxing. You get your nice Wilwood sticker. I don't know that they made that big enough. I'm sure everybody for 10 miles will be able to read it on your car. So this is the new anodized gray color. Wilwood changed their anodizing process. So this is extra strong. It's much more durable than the older anodizing process. And this is also extremely fade resistant. So on the older calipers, sometimes the color would fade with time, heat, just wear and tear. But these are going to be consistent pretty much for the life of the caliper. This is a front caliper, so the pistons on the inside are matched to the master cylinder and the brake system on the car. So you're not going to get any performance imbalances, just improvements. This caliper is about 4 pounds lighter than the stock caliper, so huge improvement in unsprung weight. These are the brackets, beautiful anodized aluminum brackets, exclusive to Flyin Miata. Make it really easy to install. Fantastic piece there. So moving on to the rear setup, get some of this packaging out of the way. Already got the Wilwood sticker out. So the rear caliper is going to look awfully similar to the front caliper because it's a power light as well, but it also comes with hardware for your park brake cable. So you're going to be using this arm here and one of our Flyin Miata arms, and you get to reuse your stock park brake. So you'll see we've got these are an exclusive for Flyin Miata from Wilwood. There's a spot to mount the arms, and they simply pinch the brake pads against the rotor to work as a park brake. It's not quite as powerful as the stock park brake setup, but it is going to work as a park brake. You know, pull up the handle, put the car in gear, and you're going to be fine. The car's not going to roll on you. So let me pause for a second. We've been going at this for a couple of minutes. I just wanted to check and see if there's any questions that are popping up. If you do have questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. If we don't get to them during the video, we'll be sure to follow up once we're done here. So to move on a little bit, we've got this 2019 on the lift right here. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things, how easy these are to work with. So if you follow me over here, we also have the gray anodized caliper on the front of this beautiful 2019. We've named this one Jones. Email me if you want a story. But I just wanted to kind of show you how easy it is to get the pads in and out of these things. I don't have to take the caliper off. I just need to get the wheel out of the way. And all I do is pull this pin. Whoop. So there's the pin. And then you can see the pads are just in here. See if I can get one of these out without fighting it too hard. So the pads just slide right out. So BP 20, you want to go up to a BP 40 for a race day, make the swap, go racing, make the swap back to your BP 20s, and you're back on the street, just like that. So that simply slips back right in there. Make sure all your holes are lined up. Put the pin back through. I know I make this look really easy, and it is. And there you go. So another cool feature, these are sized, so of course the 6U-wells are going to fit over them. But check this out. Got a stock wheel and tire. So just to prove my point, I'll go ahead and put a couple of lug nuts on here so we know that it's being held in place. the wheel's not going to flop around. Flyin Miata lightweight lug nuts, by the way. So that's on there good. So you can see the 4-piston Wilwood Powerlight caliper fits under the stock wheels. Excellent, no spacers required. If you're interested in a 6-piston caliper, our 12.88-inch diameter rotor kits will also fit under the stock wheels, which is pretty darn cool. So that's about all I had to show you. It's a pretty cool setup. I hope all of you learned something from this today. Just going to double check to see if there's any more questions. Nobody's got any questions yet. Well, if you're watching this and you have questions, shoot me an email, eric@flyinmiata.com, or put it in the comments below and we'll follow up with you. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next Thursday at 2 o'clock.